This week on 3D Printed Soup, we printed the action figures. Now let's try some Star Wars articulated vehicles. That's right after this. Hi, welcome back to 3D Printed Soup. You may or may not know that I love action figures. I also love Star Wars, so Star Wars action figures are some of my favourite things since childhood. But it's not just the human action figures that I also like some of the articulated playthings. When I was a kid, I used to have a giant AT-ST. I also had a giant AT-AT. Now, some people call it AT-AT, some people call it AT-AT. It doesn't really matter. It was an awesome, big, chunky, movable playset. The head moved, it had guns, its legs all clipped together, about the size of a small dog. And when I was 8 or 9 years old, it was about the same height as I was. I loved this thing. So I thought, you know what? I wonder if anyone's tried to do a 3D version of it. And they have. Apparently this thing prints with fully articulated legs and body. And it all just folds together, no glue needed. So I'm looking forward to seeing how they designed this and how they've done it. And whether or not the joints actually move directly after I printed it. Because sometimes you print these things and they move perfectly and you can print a whole working system without any kind of build or adhesion or glue. And sometimes they come out as an absolute mess. So we're going to have a look at this little AT-AT. It's nowhere near as big as the Hasbro one. I'm going to print it out at about 75% size. So it's going to be about 5-6 inches tall. So let's give us a print. Before we do, however, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks to everyone who's liked and subscribed this month. There's loads and loads of you now. So please, if you haven't, drag your mouse down, give the subscribe button a quick click. There you go. You're now part of the family. Welcome. Now, let's 3D print this and see if we can't make ourselves some childhood Star Wars Empire Strikes Back memories. Oh, I love the Empire Strikes Back. Pew, 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 pew. Let's just give us a print, okay? Okay, so yeah, this turned out absolutely fantastic. And yeah, this is a really, really great piece of 3D design. The fact that you can print it out flat and it all just folds together into this really, really well articulated vehicle is just amazing. I like the fact that its legs, they bend at the top, they bend at the middle, and they bend at the ankle all the way around. But also, even the toes, all the toes are articulated. And I like the fact that you just pop it and it all clips together, no glue required, and it's just a flat pack AT-AT Star Wars Imperial Walker. And of course, when I did one of those, I had to go on and find myself a tiny little snow speeder as well, just so Wedge can fly around it a few times, tie its legs up and get to fall flat on its face. The memories. So yeah, this is absolutely lovely. I like the fact that it all just pops together. Can I unpop it without breaking it? Yep, there we go. The whole thing all just folds up, neck comes out, side bits go up, and it prints flat like that. All the legs are separate. And you can just fold it in, fold the neck in, fold these two side bits down. There we go. All clips in beautifully. And you got yourself a lovely AT-AT. And yeah, that's going to go up on my shelf for the rest of my 3D printed Star Wars and Marvel stuff. So there we have it, a lovely 3D printed AT-AT from The Empire Strikes Back. Thanks so much to the guys who designed this. I don't get paid by them, I've just found them by chance on the internet and like their stuff, so I thought they deserved a bit of a shout out here. Thanks so much for watching 3D Printed Soup. Don't forget to like and subscribe, stay happy, stay safe, keep printing.